knowledge world, we are going to cover about more deep knowledge about the visa status. So here we are going to learn about the US visa system. Here, like you can read out the things. The US visa system is quite comprehensive with different types of visas designed for various purposes such as tourism, business, study, work, or immigration. Here is a breakdown of the US visa categories. Before we go to the next slide, I just wanted to explain like US has categorized the visas in tourism. For they will have the different categories for visa business, like people are going for the business and all, they will have different visa and study, so we can differentiate easily if we know the visa of the person, so we can like find out with the he or she has come to the US for which purpose. Let's go to the next slide. Here we will study about the non-immigrant visas. There are some individuals who plan to study in the US temporarily for a specific purpose. So they are having the like different kind of things with them. So I'm reading out. There are for the individual who plan to stay in the US temporarily for a specific purpose. For example, tourism and business. The person who is coming for the tourism and business, they will have B visa. B1 for visitors such as attending meetings, negotiating contracts, they will get the B1 visa. The people who are coming for just visiting family friends in the US, they will get the B1, B2 visa. So B1 visa is for the visitor purpose, for coming for the short time for the professional things and all, and B2 is going to be the family visit kind of things. Study, people who are coming for the study, they'll be getting F and J visa. However, there are more visas for this, but like we are covering for the main visas what are available and should be known to everyone. F1 for academic students at a US school, college, or university. The people who are coming for the study in the school, college, university, they will get F1 visa. That is very common. J1 for exchange visitors participating in cultural or educational exchange programs such as researchers, professors, or students. So hope it is clear. The people who are coming for the study for college, school, and universities, they get F1. Someone who is coming for the cultural or educational exchange programs, they are like researchers, professors, or students, they come under J1 visa. Work visa. Work visa can be H1B or L1. However, it is having more like list, but yes, we are covering the main visas. H1B for professionals in specialized in fields IT or engineering more, requires a job offer and the employer to sponsor the visa, commonly for highly skilled workers. L1 for intra-company users, employee who transfers to a US office from an office board. For an example, from India to US, that person will get L1 visa in the same company. Investor visa. This is something like I have added separately. However, this is not too much demandable or required from the people for the knowledge purpose. But yes, who the person who wants to be a permanent residents in US, they can have this. EB1 is the individuals making significant investments in US for business, typically leading a permanent residential. So how it is, like if you're investing a huge amount in US, so you can get EB1, and through that permanent residential ship is available. What is the amount and all, you can find out more on the like further details if you want to study and all, so you can study that. Temporary work visa. This is TN visa for Canadian and Mexican professionals under the North American Free Trade Agreement. It is also like the visa on which they can work there, and that is really valid for all. EB5 is again the same thing what we covered, the investor visa it is, we can say. How to apply a US visa. These are the common steps for the people who want to the people they are interested to know the process. Firstly, you need to identify which visa you are coming under in, and after that you have to complete 160 form online, that is DS 160 form. This is available online. You pay the fees and then you get the schedule like of the interview with the US embassy, and then you go there after attending the like interview and all. You will like get the document there, the passport, DS 160 copy, visa application fee there, and after that you wait for the approval. This is the general process what you follow. So for the application you should be having DS 160 form filled. That is the main part for this the process. Work visas like H1B, that if, has few details like eligibility to be there, like you should have a job offer from US employer in the specialized field, and there is often a yearly cap quota for H1B. It is really highly competitive process, typically issued for 3 years, extendable to 6 years. We say 3 plus 3. Green card H1B holders may apply for permanent residency after a few years. Like when you spend time on the H1B, you can go for the green card process, but it is a like lengthy process. 3 plus 3, like 6 years you may spend. Then after that you can go for the application. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be adding up more informative videos related to the visas and other topics. Hopefully, like you are finding out it is fruitful. In case if you find any mistakes or anything or any improvement required, kindly message me or comment me. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.